In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping with WooCommerce. By the end, your WooCommerce store will be linked to CJ Dropshipping so you can streamline sourcing and order fulfillment without manual work. Start by opening your WordPress website in a browser and making sure you're on the correct store. From the homepage, go to the address bar and copy your full site link. Be sure it's the exact domain your store uses, including HTTPS if your site has SSL. Copying the precise URL here helps avoid authorization errors later. Next, head over to the CJ Dropshipping website and sign into your account. Use the same email address you use for your WooCommerce store. Keeping the same email across both platforms helps keep your store connection consistent and easy to recognize. If CJ asks for any security verification, simply follow the prompts and complete the sign-in. Once you're in, find the option that says Connect Store. Select WooCommerce as the platform you want to connect, then choose Add Store. You'll see a field asking for your store's address. Paste the website link you copied from your WordPress homepage. Double-check there are no extra spaces and that the domain is correct, especially if you manage multiple sites or subdomains. When you're sure it looks right, click Authorize. You'll be redirected to your WooCommerce site to confirm the connection. Click Approve to grant CJ Dropshipping permission to connect with your store. If you're not already logged into your WooCommerce admin, you'll be prompted to sign in first. Use your usual admin credentials and continue. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection process. The system may briefly check your site and request permission to read and manage orders, products, and related settings. Approving these is necessary for the integration to work properly. When the approval completes, you should be taken back to CJ Dropshipping with a confirmation that your WooCommerce store is connected. If you don't immediately see your store listed, try refreshing the page. If the connection doesn't appear, revisit the store URL you pasted to ensure it's accurate and try the authorization again. That's all it takes. Open your WordPress site, copy the correct link, log into CJ Dropshipping with the same email, connect your store by choosing WooCommerce and adding it, paste your site URL, authorize, approve on your WooCommerce side, and follow the prompts until you see the connection confirmed. This setup keeps your products and orders flowing smoothly between your store and CJ Dropshipping.